Social media is a wild, unpredictable landscape where trends change faster than you can say, breaking news alert.
What the hell?
1 minute everyone is obsessed with your motivational quote, and the next it's all about your dog's cooking tutorials.
I cook for life.
If there is one thing social media teaches us, is that you can never predict what people will like. It's like throwing a spaghetti at a wall and hoping a few noodles stick.
Let's try it.
So how do you know what works? The only way to know for sure is to keep producing until something goes viral, or until your mom stops pretending to like every post.
My baby.
But is there a way to make social media more predictable?
How?
Social media analytic tools like Metricool help unravel these patterns and trends.
Interesting.
But don't get too excited too fast. We can demystify even more with social media analytical tools. As you may already know, audiences are fickle and their tastes change rapidly. But how do you uncover the next big trend before your competitors?
I'm listening.
With Google Trends, you can track changing preferences over time and discover why everyone suddenly started crocheting llamas.
Damn you, social media.
And how you can join it before it's too late.
Let's go.
But are there other insights that you are missing out on?
I don't know.
The clock is ticking, and every moment you are walking in the dark means that you are losing subscribers to your competitors. So don't miss out.
You are scaring me now.
There is way more information that you can get from these social media analytical tools. So what more can I learn from these tools?
I don't know, you tell me.
From knitting enthusiasts to extreme ironing fans, social media is home to countless niche communities with unique interests. Metricool helps you identify and target these niche audiences like a marketing ninja.
Cool.
By combining social media analytics with digital marketing techniques, you can understand the broader impact of your campaign on overall brand awareness and conversions.
It's worth a try.
Are you overwhelmed by the amount of information I've just given you?
Obviously.
If you say, hell yes, I understand. This is not an easy game. And indeed you should be overwhelmed. Because this is just the tip of the iceberg. But don't be discouraged either. The real question you should ask yourself is, where should I start? How should I use Metricool and digital marketing techniques to my advantage?
I like this new attitude.
Without tracking key metrics like likes, comments, and shares, your content might miss the mark and fall flat. Track key metrics like likes, comments, and shares across platforms, and gain insight into which content resonates most with your audience. Imagine it's like keeping a score in the world's most interactive video game, where every like, comment, and share counts toward unlocking the next level.
Time to level up.
Would you like to level up your game even further?
Hell yeah.
Without regular posts, your content might get lost in the shuffle, reaching only a fraction of your audience. So don't rely on old strategies like random posting and guessing. Instead, plan and schedule your posts in advance using Metricool's visual calendar feature, analyzing the best time to post for maximum engagement. After all, who wants to be the person posting motivational quotes at 3 a.m.?
Oh no!
But don't stop there. Discover trending hashtags in your niche and use them strategically to increase the reach of your content.
Promise?
Furthermore, remember that it is not all about you. Your competitors' performance significantly influence your success too. So keep tabs on your competitors like your life depends on it. Analyzing their strategies like you're binge watching the best reality TV show with the juiciest plot twists.
Time to watch TV.
But what if you lose ground no matter how hard you work? At the end of the day, your competitors won't stand still, watching you enjoy all those juicy likes, shares, and comments. Indeed, they have access to same tools as you, or maybe even better ones. If you don't level up your strategy, your competitors won't hesitate to snatch your audience away. So what's your next move as the competition heats up? Are you prepared to defend your throne, or will you let them steal your crown?
I won't let you down.
Identify ways to spice up your own content saga, and then craft detailed reports that tell the tale of your conquests. Share these sagas with your team or clients. Merging social media analytics with marketing analytics for a blockbuster movie overview of your brand's journey. And just when you think you have done it all, power up your marketing strategy with SEO optimization, PPC spells, and email marketing charms to ensure your online presence is as legendary as a superhero's backstory.
Legendary.
What if you have done all these and still aren't getting any result? Is this the end for you? Will you give up? Maybe social media just doesn't like your face.
Your face. It's bad.
Or is there a secret sauce that you are not aware of?
It should be.
In the unpredictable world of social media, there is no secret sauce for virality. Keep throwing spaghetti at the wall until something sticks. And remember to enjoy the journey, even if your mom is still your biggest fan.
Thanks, Mom.
Because maybe the final ingredient isn't about algorithms or strategies. It's about finding joy in the process, loving what you do, and letting that passion shine through every post.